All right, y'all, so look at this. This is how you want your, this is called the refrigerator evaporator. So all of that frost, which is all of that white stuff, this is how the refrigerator gets cold. You got a fan up here. You got the fan that draws in air from the bottom. So it's pulling the air up and it's sucking the air up through all of these fans, pulling the air, pushing it up. And then there's a hidden chute all the way at the top that shoots the air over to this side. And then it comes out the top up there. And then that same fan is sucking air at the same time and pulling the air through that chute. There's a hidden chute right there. It's pulling air from a hidden chute on this side, back there in the corner, from the refrigerator. So cold air is coming from the top. It's pulling it down. It'll warm up naturally as it gets to the bottom, and it's sucked over here, and then it continues the cycle. So this is how you know you have a healthy refrigerator, by looking at that evaporator, listening to the fan, making sure there's no foreign objects. Look how fast that fan is spinning. It's even. That's how you know you have a healthy looking refrigerator. So check this out. So this is the evaporator right here. Let's take a look at it. Alright, so let's remove these screws at the top. Make sure they don't fall. And then we're gonna remove those screws at the bottom too. Yeah, I think that's all it was. Is I think the fan actually works. The customer says that they were able to unplug the refrigerator to get it working again, and they plugged it back in, and it started cooling off. And I think that there was a lot of food in here, and it was pushing up against this back wall. You see that? That's what the sound is. So when you have food in here and it's pushing up against that wall, what you're doing is, that's the fan right there. So you see the fan is actually working. Is that a piece of ice? What is that? Ice cube back there too. So I bet that was rubbing up against the fan. It's not supposed to be back there. Yep, that's all it was. So there's nothing else back there. I don't see no other foreign objects. So as long as that fan is working, we're good to go. So we'll close this door just to reset it. Oh. And where'd they come from? This fan will turn back on in just a second. So look at this right there. Turn back on. So as long as that fan is running, we're gonna take a look at the evaporator too. But as long as that fan is running and your evaporator down here. Alright, so we got this Frigidaire Gallery side-by-side refrigerator. Customer had the error code 5YEF, which says that there's something going on with the evaporator fan, which is located in the freezer section. We got ready to remove the food, so I'm gonna inspect that sound as soon as I can get the shelf out. See what that sound is about.
Pump for us.
Oh, we did?